Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Meet recording settings for hosts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Meet recording settings for hosts, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. Log in with your administrator account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Apps section on the homepage. Click on Google Workspace to expand the options. Select Google Meet from the list that appears. In the Google Meet settings, find the Meet Recording subsection. Ensure that the option for Allow users to record their meetings is turned on. If necessary, click on Save to apply the changes. Next, head to the Users section in the Admin Console. Select the specific organizational unit for which you want to enable recording. Click on User Settings to view options for that unit. In the User Settings, ensure that the Meet Recording option is enabled. To finalize the changes, click Save at the bottom of the page. Now, log in to Google Meet using a host account. Start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once in the meeting, look for the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner. Click on the dots to open the menu options. Select Record Meeting from the menu. When prompted, confirm by clicking Start Recording. The recording will now begin, capturing your meeting. To stop recording, click the three vertical dots again. Choose Stop Recording when you are finished. A notification will appear confirming that the recording has stopped. You will receive an email with a link to the recording after the meeting ends. Your settings are now correctly configured for Google Meet recording. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.